We continue to meet in the strangest of places at the worst times. I managed to escape that wretched prison, but they quickly found me and threw me down here. When will your reign of chaos end, I wonder? Regardless, there is an additional thing I want to show you. It sure looks like you need it.
Morning. New day, new beginnings.
Shut up.
Where are they taking us, Stinger?
I don't have a clue. That is the reason I'm informing you to shut up. But I'm going to be frank. This seems like it's the end for all of us.
That can't be. This is not how I imagined I'd die. Thought it'd be more dramatic.
I do not have a problem facing death. I am just devastated I am facing it with you.
Wow, thanks. Me on the opposite hand, I'm very glad I'm dying with you guys. It's been an honor trying to find the beach together. What about you, Captain? Are you happy we're about to get executed? Captain? If only you paid your taxes, Captain, we wouldn't be in this dilemma. What was that?
We are here.
First, the monkey.
No, Captain! Take me instead!
Stop. There's nothing you can do.
I'm sorry, Captain. Goodbye. Oh, I think he missed his head.
Lucky.
What's that in the sky?
Not again.
You've got to come with me. Now! The creature that caused the fires. It's still alive.
That's not good.
You all need to get out of here. The villagers have agreed to construct an exit for you. Consider this our apology for what you both had to endure during your time with us. Good human friend. If only the others didn't follow the surgeons so blindly. And take this. Show this to Bandman. You'll know when to use it. Now, be on your way. A true leader dies with his village.
You're finally up!
How unfortunate.
Thank you for all you've done for me. So, I guess we're not playing hide and seek anymore then. But like, now what? I'm still trying to make sense of everything the elders said. It explains a lot, like how tall I've suddenly become. But it also raises more questions than ever. Who took my place? How long have I been in that closet for?
Attention, all beautiful citizens of my facility. The human fugitive is still on the run. The bounty has now increased to 12 lollipops. Catch them, and the lollipops are yours. And you, blue fugitive, I know exactly what will lure you to me. I have the person closest and dearest to your heart right here with me as we speak. So far, she's still breathing, but that can change the second I want. Both of you will make your way to me right now. I'm done playing. We're located at the secondary back bay. See you soon. Have a fantastic day. Father out.
Was that 7? We have to go! But how do we get there? This building is called a mapping station. You think we'll find something useful in there?
You are on your own from here. I've got better things to do.
I need a break. You haven't seen a giant snake around here, have you? No. Please say no. I sure hope the others are okay. If I'm bigger, and 6 is bigger, does that mean they're all bigger too? happened here? I enjoyed this place a lot more when it was just a bunch of us playing hide and seek. What happened here? I enjoyed this place a lot more when it was just a bunch of us playing hide and seek. Looks like you activated something. Let's see. It looks like some kind of a map. You can't see it? Strange. Okay, I see where the vat area is. It's not too far. Let's go. We have no time to waste. I've seen these buttons before. They need to be held down by a lot of weight to activate. I'll stand here. You cross, hold it open from the inside, then I'll go. Whoa! What's happening? Your thing isn't working. And now my thing isn't working anymore. Stay there. I'll see if I can find a way around.